What's going on?
Guys? In today's video, we have a very exciting unboxing from Cubicle.com. Before we hop into opening up this package, huge thanks to the Cubicle for sending this out to me. I believe in here is the Mystic MGC 4. We have the great embroidered Mystic Cube bag. It says MGC 4x4. And let's see what else we got in here. We have seats, and then we have another one of the Cubicle business cards. I'll add that to my collection of like 20 Cubicle business cards at this point. So, hopping right into the actual cube itself. So, in here, nothing else besides what's in there. Once again, a really nice bag though. I like that Mystic logo on there, like 3 different shades of green. Hopping out onto this, we have a very bright neon orange cube stand. I'll add that to my stack of cube stands. And then we have, of course, the Mystic little card. I already have another one of the Mystic cards from my Mystic Arch 3M 2020. A review on that cube will be coming out soon. Yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into this cube right here. Alright, so hopping onto this. Oh, this cube has lube all over the outside. This is very slippery. But let's get on to some first turns. Dang, it's like slipping out from my hands, and it's kind of slow and sluggish right now. The inner layers are very slow right now, but what I found out with my R3M 2020, this will get a lot faster when it comes to break-in. Right now, though, it's super lubey on the outside. I got it all over my fingers, but that's to be expected with these custom cube. Taking a look inside there, the normal internals. Alright, before we hop into the review of the cube, let's go over some basic information about this. This is a Cubicle Custom Mystic MGC 4x4. The actual MGC 4x4 itself is manufactured by YJ. This cube weighs 114 grams and is a 60mm by 60mm cube, and it was added to the Cubicle.com on June 19th of 2020. It is lubed with the basic Mystic setup, which is Traxxas 10K, Mystic, and DNM 37. Well, I've gotten the lube off the outside. It's still really slow and sluggish. That's probably because the lube inside there has not been quite broken in yet. It is a super smooth feeling, and it's also super quiet. I'll put it up to the microphone so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. Now let's take a look at the shades. Very nice bright green and a dark blue, dark red and a bright orange, and then basically standard white and yellow. Looks really nice. So after wiping the lube off the outside of this cube, my hands aren't slipping as much. My hands are definitely not slipping off of it as much. It has glossy plastic on the outside. I think this cube actually has great tensions out of the box. It's relatively loose. That's actually how I really like my 4x4s. The inner layers are a bit slow. That's to be expected without break-in yet. Let's test corner cutting. So pretty good. A little bit under 45. Inner layer corner cutting, pretty nice as well. Let's test out a regular reverse. Not the greatest. I might actually tension this cube just a little bit to myself. I know the Cubicle does their tensions on this cube to what will be the best for it. Personally, I know everybody's taste on cube tensions are a little bit different. It has that really nice Mystic logo. I'm actually gonna probably take that off though, because I don't really like logos on my mains, honestly, because I find them a bit distracting. But I will leave it on there while I do my voiceover review and what I really think about the cube after I do some solves on it. So, let's just go ahead and switch over to my solves, and I'll do a voiceover of what I think of the cube. This cube is absolutely amazing. It's my new mate. After some break-in, it gets rid of that slowness and sluggishness that I first felt when I first unboxed the cube, and it started getting faster, although it still retained that really nice, silky smooth quality, as well as remaining super quiet. I've been able to get some pretty amazing times with this cube. It's really nice for my 4x4 turning style. I'm trying to change it from a rough turning style to a more smooth and controlled turning style, which this cube has definitely helped with. All in all, this is a really great cube. It is my new main, and I highly recommend it to any 4x4 solver, whether they be beginner, intermediate, or advanced. It's just an amazing all-around cube. If you do happen to buy this cube though, it is $30 on the Cubicle.com. Be sure to use discount code HUMBLE for 5% off your entire order. It really helps support the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.